doing? I'm Monty from Mosquito. I'm going to give you a quick look at what makes our backpacks different and unique. So the key to all backpacks is the motor. So what we do is we keep the motor cool, and it gives us a 7-year warranty. Most of our competitors are 3 years, 1 year. We have a 7-year warranty because we take all the hot air that comes through the motor and we exhaust it right away. So you'll notice a much cooler running backpack. You'll notice also you have 3 different lids here. You can have the Pro Team style lid, which is 90 degrees. But be aware that the inferior hoses that some of our competitors have are really bad. They have ribbing on the inside and outside. They tend to clog. We're not a fan of this, but we sell it if you like it. We have 1.5 inches. The hose comes in at an angle. It's smooth bore, which is different. It's a 2-piece hose, so you don't get any debris inside. And then we have our construction unit. Now we have a patent on this. It starts at 1.5 inches, and it grows as it goes, so it never clogs up. And that also enters in at an angle. And then we have the most important thing. Our competitors typically use a paper bag. Now these paper bags, if you have any moisture, they're a problem. If it gets really filled up and you pull it out, it'll tear. But at Mosquito, we have synthetic bags. Notice the bottom of it is heat sealed. So this is also a HEPA filter. And this HEPA filter, you can see from the inside lining, well, if you look really close, you can see it, but that inside lining is 4 levels, and so it's complete HEPA, and you have a HEPA filter over the motor. If this ever gets dirty, you know you're not using a bag. So it's something to keep in mind. So that is the uniqueness of our backpack. Oh, I almost forgot. We have a pigtail support. The number one thing that fails in backpacks is the pigtail. So we have a pigtail support, and we have a tool that's needed, a Phillips head, to remove the extension cord. It helps support this whole system. You'll never have a pigtail fail if you use this system. Switch, let's say you break a switch, you can take needle nose pliers, pull that out, it'll break the 2 prongs, put a new one on, you can replace the switch in 30 seconds. Just some of the unique features of our Mosquito backpack.